Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Tuesday, January 15th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. It was a very ugly day when you looked at the grain markets. Corn market down over 7 cents, beans down over 10 cents, wheat market anywhere from 3 to 5 cents lower. And to be honest, there's not a big reason why this happened. You know, a lot of people are searching for some answers right now. We do feel like it's just the fact that you have a lack of news out there. We're just really trading blind. And when you have to have a bull story, it's the old saying, you got to feed the bull. And we have no information right now to feed that bull. Weather forecasts look a little bit less threatening when you look at South America. They're not better by any means as far as a great condition, but they're not as threatening as they have been in the past. And so that you could be seeing push the market a little bit lower. And the fact that we just don't have any information if China is really coming in here and buying beans. You did have U.S. Senator Chuck Grassley out of Iowa come out and say that he did talk to one of the top trade representatives, and they said that very little progress came out of this last meeting with China, which is kind of different from what we heard coming out of that meeting. So during that meeting, it was extended from 2 to 3 days. They said everything went great. There was a lot of optimism around it. Said China was going to come in here and buy some more product. And then we hear this, and really it kind of matches what we've seen lately. Basis levels have started to widen out once again here into the soybean market. Doesn't seem like we're getting any purchases from China. And the fact is you have drier conditions in Brazil, which is pushing harvest along quicker. That the fact is their beans can get to port faster than they typically do, and China can get more beans from South America faster than they normally do, which is problematic for the U.S. So overall, it's just those mixed emotions. Could be seeing some managed money selling as well. Once again, that's something that we're just not going to see either, with CFTC not reporting any details with the partial government shutdown. So those are things to watch. When you look over at the meat markets, live cattle made new contract highs for the February contract, where you found quite a bit of support. The other contracts a little bit on the quiet side. Feeder cattle, modest support, about 45 cents higher, and then lean hogs, some separation between February and the deferred contracts. February finding light support, up 30 cents, deferred slightly lower. And then over the outside markets, they were relatively quiet. Some support on the Dow market, but overall, you saw crude oil up anywhere from $1 to $2, but anything huge as far as news goes. So moving forward, what we're going to watch is just continue to see what the forecast is in Brazil, see if we can get any information from China coming in here to buy some grain, and then hopefully get this government back up and running. Otherwise, until then, we're really lacking that news and not knowing where we stand for S&Ds. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. Have a great day.